Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing this engine mount. That's going to be located right on the passenger side of your vehicle, and this is going to be fairly simple to do by removing two 14mm headed bolts. Before we can get ready for our installation, let's go ahead and clean up our bolt threads and apply a little bit of red thread locker. Okay, now that we have the bolt threads cleaned up and some red thread locker, let's get ready to install our mount. To do this, we're just going to carefully come right in through the front right here, slide it right into position. Just give it a little bonk, get it in there. Now it's time for the bolts. We're going to take the longer one and go right through here. Start it in there. Time for the shorter one. Go ahead and line up that hole as well. At this point, you might actually need to jack up the engine a little bit. It should pretty much be in position, but if you need to, you can just kind of tilt it a little bit. Now we'll just go ahead and bottom out both of these bolts. Once they're bottomed out, we'll torque each of them to 47 foot-pounds. Torqued.